Emergencies are becoming more common every day. Do you have the right gear and tools to take action? Disorganized and overstuffed, a generic survival backpack just doesn't make sense anymore. Luckily, there's a new way to stay prepared with the Surviveware Responder 72-hour backpack, a preparedness system that does the thinking for you, with quality tools, gears, and supplies that are all housed in an organized bag, enabling you to see all your gear at a glance. Included in this bag is our legendary first aid kit for bumps and scrapes along the road. Once you reach safety, make shelter your priority. Anchor down and secure. Make shavings for your fire, perfect for strains and sprains. To patch up and construct new tools. To attract attention and get found. To secure and fasten. Stay up to date with weather forecasts. Make fire in extreme situations. Kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Plan ahead and stay on track. 2 food pouches with a total of 3,600 kilocalories per person. 2 water pouches with 9 water packs per person. 2 person pouches that include wipes to stay clean and fresh. Goggles to protect against smoke and dust. A whistle to attract attention to stay warm at night. For hygiene and wounds. To stay safe. To dispose hazardous materials correctly. Stay as dry as possible during downpours. Keep your supplies safe in a water-resistant bag. This bag has everything you need to take your preparedness to the next level. And because this backpack is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an organized system for you and your loved one's safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.